Hello everyone, we are back once again on our live streaming. We just finished streaming a video on budgeting masterclass for entrepreneurs. Build, control, and grow your business finance in 2026 and beyond. Please do well to check all our videos on this YouTube channel. They are valuable videos, important videos, videos that when you apply the knowledge into your business, it will help your business to scale, to thrive, to be profitable, to grow, and of course to remain sustainable. So good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good day to you anywhere you may be joining us from all over the world. This is Tozon Consulting, your strategic business growth support partner. So this channel is dedicated to all business owners, entrepreneurs, and professionals all over the world. Please, if this is your first time of joining us on this live streaming, do well to subscribe, do well to like our videos and share with other business owners around you. So in today's live streaming, how successful SMEs manage cash flow during tough times. Tough times, economic hardship, inflation, economic instability. During all this period, how do you manage your cash flow? So have you ever wondered why some businesses survive economic downturns, while others struggle to keep their doors open? The answer is often not sales, profits, or even access to loans. The real difference is cash flow management, because cash flow management is your oxygen, is your reality. So you need to take note of this very important video and apply the knowledge into your business, because they are practical videos that can help your business to remain sustainable. So many SMEs fail not because they are unprofitable, but because they run out of cash when they need it most. That is the most reason why many businesses fail. So in today's video, we will review how successful SMEs manage their cash flow during difficult economic periods, and the practical strategies you can implement immediately to keep your business financially healthy. So please, if this is your first time of joining us on this live streaming, please click on the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and share with other business owners around you. So you are welcome to Tozon Consulting. Let's get started immediately. So understanding cash flow, you need to understand it. So before discussing solutions, let's understand what cash flow means. Cash flow is the movement of money into and out of your business. Movement of money into your business and out of your business. So cash flow includes one, that's cash inflows, because under cash flow we have cash inflows and cash outflows. So this is cash inflows into your business: customers payments, loan proceeds, investment income, grants and donations. While cash outflows out of your business are salaries and wages, rent and utilities, supplier payments, taxes and statutory obligations, and of course your loan repayment. These are cash outflows. So a business can show profit on paper and still experience serious cash flow challenges if cash is not available when needed. So you may experience a difficult or challenging time. So this is why cash flow is often described as the lifeblood of every business. Cash flow is the oxygen, is the lifeblood of the business. Why tough times expose weak cash flow management? Why tough times expose weak cash flow management? So you know that during economic challenges, businesses often face one, reduced customer spending, then two, delayed payments from clients. Then 3, rising operating costs, and of course for inflationary pressures. Then 5, foreign exchange fluctuation. Then 6, increased borrowing costs. So SMEs that lack proper cash flow planning are usually the first to experience operational difficulties. So that is why this very topic is as very important as ever. So successful businesses prepare for these situations before they occur. So let's look at strategy 1. Build and maintain a cash flow forecast. Build and maintain a cash flow forecast. So one of the most powerful tools used by successful entrepreneurs is cash flow forecast. This is very important. Please, if you are watching us live right now, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Let's continue. A cash flow forecast helps you to estimate expected cash inflows, expected cash outflows, potential cash shortages, funding requirements. This is very important in cash flow forecasting. So at Ojon Consulting, we recommend maintaining a rolling 12-week cash flow forecast. This allows business owners to identify potential problems early enough and take corrective actions before cash shortages occur. So there is the key benefit of ensuring this. You stop reacting to problems and start planning ahead. That is the key benefit. So in strategy 2, prioritize cash collection. Prioritize cash collections. So cash collection periods becomes critical during difficult periods. Cash collection becomes critical during difficult periods. Successful SMEs focus heavily on accelerating customers' payment, and the practical steps in achieving this is 1, you need to issue invoices promptly. 2, you need to follow up on overdue payment consistently. Then 3, you need to offer incentives for early payment. Then 4, you need to require deposit before commencing project. And then 5, you need to introduce electronic payment option. And then 6, review customer credit terms regularly. So please remember this, that sales are important, but collected cash pays the bills. Collected cash pays the bills. You need to take note of that. In strategy, control expenses aggressively. Control expenses aggressively. When cash becomes tight, successful SMEs immediately review their expenses and they ask these important questions. Which expenses are essential? 2, which expenses can be delayed? Then 3, which expenses can be eliminated entirely? So common areas for cost optimizations. Common area for cost optimization. 1, office expenses. Then 2, travel costs. 3, subscriptions. And 4, marketing campaigns with low returns. Then 5, utility consumption. And then 6, outsourced services. The goal is not simply cutting costs. The goal is preserving cash while maintaining business operation, and this is very important for you. So in strategy 4, separate needs from wants. Separate needs from wants. So many SMEs make the mistake of spending money on non-essential items during challenging periods. You can't be spending money on non-essential items in challenging period. This will choke your cash and it will expose your cash flow badly. So you need to avoid non-essential spending and focus on essential spending that will give you more money into your business. So successful businesses focus on needs and needs alone, on one, inventory, on salary payment, on rent, on taxes, on customer services, and wants are luxury office upgrade. These are just wants. Luxury office upgrades are wants, non-essential equipment, then prestige purchases. So you need to do away with this so as to have a balanced cash flow that will help your business to thrive. So cash preservation requires disciplined decision making. So every expenditure should have a clear business justification. Yes, you need to have a clear justification for every expenditure that you incur. So in strategy 5, maintain strong supplier relationship. Maintain strong supplier relationships. So suppliers can become valuable partners during difficult periods. So successful SMEs communicate openly with suppliers and negotiate extended payment terms, flexible repayment schedules, volume discounts, partial payment arrangement with their suppliers. This is very important when you build a very good relationship with your supplier. So strong relationship often creates opportunities that are unavailable to businesses that communicate poorly. So all these stakeholders, your suppliers, your vendors, your contractors, and those that supply you goods, right? You need to maintain a very strong relationship with them. So in strategy 6, build an emergency cash reserve. So the best time to prepare for a crisis is before one happens. So successful SMEs consistently set aside a portion of profit to create emergency reserves. So ideally, businesses should maintain enough cash to cover at least 3 to 6 months of critical operating expenses. So this reserve can help the business to survive one, economic downturn, then two, unexpected repairs, then three, supply chain disruption, then four, temporary revenue declines. So in section number 7, as we begin to round up, monitor key financial indicators weekly. Monitor key financial indicators weekly. So successful SMEs track their numbers regularly, and this is an important metrics which include one, cash position. Two, how much cash is available today? You need to ask that question under cash position. Then two, account receivables under your cash position. Three, how much money do customers owe us? Then four, account payables to your suppliers. How much do you owe your suppliers? Then your operating expenses. Are expenses increasing faster than revenue? You need to look at that very, very critically. Then cash burn rate. How quickly is cash being spent? You need to review that. Businesses that monitor these indicators weekly can make faster and better financial decisions. In strategy 8, diversify revenue streams. Diversify revenue streams. So relying on a single source of income increases financial risks. So successful SMEs explore additional revenue opportunities such as one, new products, two, new services, three, new customers segments, then four, sales channels, five, strategic partnerships. So diversification helps stabilize cash inflows during uncertain periods. Diversification helps you to be stabilized during uncertain periods for your cash flow. So the common cash flow mistakes SMEs must avoid. One, avoid this common mistake of mixing personal and business finances together. Then 2, ignoring cash flow report. 3, over reliance on debt. Then 4, granting excessive customers credit. Then 5, failing to budget properly. 6, delaying tax planning. Then 7, expanding too quickly without adequate cash reserves. So you need to avoid this in order to have a balanced cash flow that will help you to navigate a challenging or difficult, tough times. So this mistake can quickly create financial pressure even in profitable businesses if these mistakes keep occurring. So the final thought here is that economic challenges are inevitable. They are everywhere. They are happening everywhere in every nations, every economy of the world. But however, businesses that prioritize cash flow management are far more likely to survive, adapt, and grow. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel if this is your first time of joining us. So the most successful SMEs understand that cash flow management is not a once in a year exercise. It is a daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly exercise. It is daily and it requires discipline. So by forecasting your cash flow, controlling your expenses, accelerating your collections, maintaining your reserves, and monitoring your financial performance, your business can remain resilient even during difficult times. So here is a call to action as we round off this live streaming. If you found this video valuable, please like this video, subscribe to Tuesday Consulting, turn on your notification bells, and share this video with fellow entrepreneurs. So tell us in the comment section, what is the biggest cash flow challenge your business is currently facing? Thank you for watching this live streaming. Tuesday Consulting, we are empowering businesses through smart financial management, tax advisory, and strategic growth solution. So thank you for joining us on this live streaming. We see you in another live stream session. Bye for now.